Oh, I'm the nurse. Okay, yes.
And I'm a nurse.
You're a doctor.
No, I'm not doctor. You're a nurse.
Okay, let's go, doctor.
Oh, this is after they sleep.
Okay, here you go, doctor.
Thank you, nurse. Now, just check the stethoscope and how your feet is out here.
How does it sound, doctor?
Hold on.
Do you hear anything?
Your feet, you have a hamburger and your feet.
You have a burger.
I have a hamburger on my feet?
Yeah, and it feels hurt.
Okay, can you fix it?
Okay. Here's a bandage for you, and then make a feet bandage.
Okay.
Does she need a shot, doctor?
Yeah. Here's the shot. I'm going to get Play-Doh in it.
It's a Play-Doh shot.
Yeah.
Oh. Is that going to get better?
Yeah, and it's going to be hurt. See, like this. You press the button. See?
Okay, can you fix it like you did earlier? Can you fix Mommy's feet?
This is for your feet. Zip it up. I go to zip it until like it's done.
Oh. Take the temperature of the leg.
She's taking my temperature.
48.
Okay, how is it?
I think you have a fever.
Oh no, my leg has a fever?
Yeah, you zip it up again.
Oh no, my leg has a fever. What do I do, doctor?
I don't know.
Okay, can you fix Mommy's leg like you did earlier?
I see you have a hamburger in it. I think you have a fish in it.
She has a fish in her leg?
Yeah, you have fish in it. Look, you have fish in it.
Oh, wow. Are you calling somebody?
No, I'm looking at a picture with one like the egg.
Oh, I see.
That's a smartphone.
Oh, that's what all doctors do.
This is the phone. Hey, where's my pocket? Where's my pocket?
I'll hold it for you, doctor.
Okay. And just check your feet inside. I can't see it inside.
Oh no, is that a problem?
Yeah, I can't lock it and I can't see it.
Oh, okay.
Is it smelly?
No,
No,
just
not
check
smelly.
it inside.
Is it pretty?
Nugget. I think you have fish inside. And the fish inside.
And a hamburger?
Is it a big fish or a small fish?
A big fish.
It's a big fish.
Yeah.
Can you
Something's
fix
fishy
it?
around here.
Elise, can you fix it?
I get 3 feet.
I can't move it. You have to put it under my feet.
I can't move it.
Okay.
And the foot.
Here, it's okay. It doesn't need to wrap around. You could take the blood pressure anyways.
Yeah.
You can take it like that. Yeah.
I can't see it.
Oh, let's turn it around. Here you go. There you go. Okay? It's pretty funny, huh?
Hey, lift it up.
Huh?
Lift it up.
Okay.
Okay, what's wrong with it, doctor?
Now yet.
You're gonna hurt mommy's feet.
Mom, Daddy, push this one.
Okay, are you gonna fix mommy's feet now? Is everything okay now, Dr. Elise?
Put this under.
Dr. Elise? Is mommy's feet okay now?
Not yet.
Now what? Now what you want to do with my feet?
Now it's just check inside the feet now. There's a little big fish and a big hamburger inside.
I see.